Alright YouTube, today I'm going to do a review on the Clipper lighter. I prefer this one because you can see how much gas is in, but there's many different colours and many different styles, and that's just how it lights. So, my favourite thing about this is the flint wheel is all different. It's a different shape. It's because it's easier to light. It's easier to spark it, and it's detachable, so you can take it off, untie this, take the flint out, put a new flint in. It's refillable, and it's just better than the other disposable lighters, I think. One, because it's just better. They do cost a bit more. In my local corner shop they cost about £1.30, whereas other lighters cost about 60p, something like that. So yeah, it's quite good. I like the shape of it. It's all made of different materials as well, which I reckon is quite good. You can feel it on the place you let gas out. It's different material. So thanks for watching. Goodbye.